Morning, the viewers, the subscribers, how you all doing? So UK woke up to the shocking news this morning that they did not become Euro 2020 champion after they were defeated by Italy last night at the Wembley Stadium. Such a wonderful match. However, it did not go the way many wanted it to have went. But still, I can say that England put up a good fight. They waited 56 years for this title, and their last major title was won back in 1966. So this would have been such a major accomplishment for them. But all I can say is that it's very disappointing to see that they did not make it to become the champion. However, they did very well, and I must say we are still proud of them, still proud of his team, still proud of Raheem Sterling for his wonderful contribution as well, and all the other players that went through and put their all into this in order to make it to the finals of this competition, because making it to the finals wasn't as easy as it seems, and they all tried their very best, and I believe that they did what they had to do. And however, it did not came their way, and we still have to just commend them and congratulate them still for all the efforts that they put into the game and all that they did in order to reach just far in the competition, because many people would not have thought they would have even made it so far. And it's one of those situations where you just have to just accept the losses and just know that you did what you had to do and you put your best into the game. This was watched by millions of people right across the world, and then many people would not have thought that it would have went this way. Many people were hoping that England would have taken home the title. However, it did not go that way. This was actually one of the most anticipated football matches in a long while, and many fans also turn out in their numbers at different locations just in order to witness this spectacular moment in the making. But it's very sad to see that they did not become Euro 2020 champion, but life still goes on. They did what they had to do, and I just still wanted to say congratulations to the England team for what they did just in order to make it this far through the competition. It wasn't an easy task, and they executed it, and they executed well with their all, and they tried their very best at it. The game was such a wonderful game to have watched, with all likes of the players doing their thing. Luke Shaw gave an early goal in the competition, which gave England the hope that they would be victorious. However, when it all boiled down to the end with the penalty shootout, there was where it went haywire for England. However, they still did what they were set out to do, and it's just one of those situations we just have to just accept that they tried their very best at it, and it don't make sense you going down and beating down the team and saying that they could have done better. I believe that they tried their best, and it's just a time where they just need to just reflect and see where they went wrong in the match, and just try their very best to know that they will just build themselves and become stronger as a team, working towards achieving many more things to come in more competition. So much respect goes out to the England team, and much respect goes out to the supporters that tried their best as well to turn out in order to support their team. So much love and much respect goes out to you. As always, Links 007 TV, and just keeping you up to date what happened yesterday, doing my review of the match between England and Italy at the Wembley Stadium. It was such a wonderful match, such high anticipation, but it did not went the way that we wanted it to, and we just have to accept the defeat and know that that's how life goes. So much love and much respect goes out to you. Peace.